Can air scrubbers improve indoor air quality? Yes, air scrubbers can improve indoor air quality by removing many airborne particles and some odors, but they work best with source control and fresh air ventilation. An air scrubber pulls room air through filters and sends cleaner air back into the room. A high-efficiency particulate air filter can capture dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke particles, and many tiny particles that are too small to see. Some machines also contain activated carbon, which can reduce certain odors and gases from paint, cleaning products, and other chemicals. The carbon filter does not last forever because it slowly fills up and stops working well. A useful detail is that air scrubbers can collect particles from the air, but they cannot remove mold growing behind a wall, dust sitting on a surface, carbon monoxide, radon, or excess moisture. For the best results, fix leaks, clean visible mold safely, stop smoking indoors, and use exhaust fans while cooking or bathing. Choose a machine with a clean air delivery rate suited to the room. Keep doors and windows closed when outdoor pollution is high, and replace filters when they look dirty or the manufacturer recommends it. Run the machine on a lower setting when people are present if the noise is distracting, but use a higher setting after dusty work or a smoke event. One common mistake is buying a machine that is too small for the room, so check its room size and clean air delivery rate before purchasing. Another mistake is ignoring the filter, because a clogged filter reduces airflow. Inspect it regularly and replace it on schedule. Some people also assume every air scrubber is safe, but avoid devices that intentionally produce ozone, since ozone can irritate the lungs. Choose a tested filter-based machine instead. Finally, do not use an air scrubber as a substitute for repairing leaks or removing pollution sources, because cleaning the air without fixing the cause only provides temporary help. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.